Alright, quick video of a Palomar 300A Blackface. Another one. I've sold one or two of these already. Refurbed another one. This one has a nice face. A little dirty on the top. Has some rust spots and rough patches there. But it's got good tubes in it. And then underneath, I don't know, it looked really good underneath. Recapped it with, see the blue caps and the green caps there. Everything's been recapped, relays cleaned, tuned up, and ready to go with this one. So just gonna do a quick video of it. Gonna hit the power. And put it on standby. Which radio I got hooked up? Oh, the old trusty Titan 4, so I'm hardly doing any watts into it. Actually, we got the Workman digital watt meter in between the amp and the radio. So I guess when I key it up, that's going to show what I'm putting into it and the input SWR, so I don't need to show it separately. So hopefully it's warmed up, so we're going to go ahead and key her up. Audio. So that's what we're putting into it. 2 1/4 dead key. Audio. Swinging about 7 or 8. That's all we're putting into the guy. And over here we had the watt meter on peak. That's on 200 RMS. And with that low dead key going into it, it's dead key in 70. Actually closer to 80. Audio. Talking about 150 and whistling over past 200 on RMS. And we're gonna put it on the 2000 watt scale and put it on peak. Audio. Talking about 325 peak, and that's with low drive. It'll do probably 400. And past that, you know, I think you're pushing them. And that's pretty much it for this Palomar 300A Blackface. All right, bye.